What's the meaning of certifiably? Certifiably. Certifiably.
Certifiably. Certifiably. The word certifiably refers to being officially recognized or confirmed as meeting certain standards or qualifications. When something is described as certifiable, it means that there is verifiable evidence or proof supporting its claim or attribute. In practical terms, a person who is certifiably qualified has undergone a rigorous testing process and met the necessary requirements to be recognized as an expert in their field. This can help ensure that they possess the necessary skills and knowledge to perform their job effectively. Overall, being certifiably qualified can increase trust, confidence, and credibility in the eyes of others.